Every time I take this trade, it feels illegal, because while everyone else is guessing, this entry just works. And no, it is not indicators or anything complicated, it is just this. This is the same setup that happens again and again and gives you reactions such as this one and this one every single time. Let's go through the rules of this strategy, a strategy that will turn you profitable 100%. Now, needless to say that this strategy works on every single asset. I suggest that you apply this strategy on the 5-minute and the 15-minute time frame, and what you want to see is extremely simple. Let me show you exactly what you should be looking out for. And I'm going to make this concept extremely clear while playing out price action, and I'm gonna go ahead and highlight every single fair value gap that is being formed in order to show you that this concept works like a charm and in order for all of you to be able to understand the strategy. So we had this tiny fair value gap right here. If you don't know what a fair value gap is, go ahead and check out many of my other videos. A second fair value gap has been created here, and let's proceed and see if we have any other fair value gaps. Nothing right here. I'm not even gonna analyze if we're moving in a bearish or a bullish manner, because this strategy is very good in predicting reversals and continuations. Right here we see that we have created yet another fair value gap. Which is the other fair value gap? It is this gap exactly right here. You see, I'm not even mentioning the fair value gaps as points of entry. I'm making it extremely simple for all of you to understand. If I proceed now with price action, we see that price has broken above this fair value gap, this bearish FVG that we had right here. Once price breaks above with a body on any of those time frames, this FVG right here that many of you were gonna be using for shorts and you were gonna be losing is going to become your inversion fair value gap. But this is not enough for me. What I want to see, in order to clarify that I'm gonna be going long in this occasion, is another fair value gap being printed on the opposite direction, which falls on top of this current FVG. Do we have such other fair value gap being created? Yes, we do. We do have this fair value gap exactly right here. If I extend both of those, they have a point of interaction, and it is this point right here. And trust me, this strategy, once you apply it, it will seem totally illegal, because you are gonna be catching extremely high probability trades and very high reward to risk trades, very close to the trades that I'm taking with my premium concept that I'm teaching in my Discord and in the one-on-one mentoring. But since this thing right here is for free, and since you guys seem to love the free stuff, you don't wanna be paying, go ahead and enjoy this video, learn this strategy right here. So since you have created this overlapping section right here, all I want from you is to just take the trade with a market execution and a stop loss right below this double fair value gap right here. Now, for this strategy to work perfectly fine, I want you to go ahead and risk at least a 3-to-1 reward to risk. While for me, I will tell you right now, the optimal reward to risk is a 5-to-1. And this is what I'm mainly going for with this strategy. And yes, I am using this strategy in combination with my ultimate ChrisFX block strategy that I have developed and nobody else knows out there, and you can find all about it by going to the links down in the description or in the comments section. So this is your trade, it is very clear, clear stop loss, clear take profit. Just go ahead, let the trade play out, win money, make your withdrawals, come and thank me later. Let's show another example which comes straight after this example right here. And let's go ahead and follow. I just deleted this example because I want to show you exactly what you should be doing once again. So if I proceed with price action, because we don't have the whole time and we don't want to be wasting your time right here, I want to be showing you a very effective strategy that you can use straight ahead and hopefully apply it on our new prop firm, Hola Prime, for which I have the link down in the description of the video. It is the first link. Go ahead and join Hola Prime. Click on this link and use code ChrisFX to get your 30% off. They are having both CFDs, which is Forex, plus futures. For those of you who want to trade only futures, I'm personally doing both very successfully. Use code ChrisFX to get your 30% off after clicking on the link that I have down in the description. So if I am to highlight my fair value gaps again, that would be one fair value gap, that would be another fair value gap, and I proceed with price action. Simple as that. We see an enormous candlestick. Since this is not enough for me, I have to play yet another candlestick, and now I have my second candlestick being printed. Now, do I have a fair value gap from this direction that overlaps with any one or both of those fair value gaps from the left? Let's see. Yes, I do. I have this fair value gap right here. And if I extend those ones, you see that they do overlap indeed. So what am I waiting for? All I need to do is go ahead and take my trade with a market execution and place a stop loss right below those double fair value gaps. And what am I gonna target? I'm gonna target my 5-to-1 reward to risk. If you want to target something less, make sure that you target at least a 3-to-1 reward to risk. I am entering with market execution, I'm placing a clear stop loss and a clear take profit, and I'm not moving the stop loss at break even at any point in time. I just play out this trade and I win this trade. And right here you will tell me, Chris, you wouldn't be able to hold this trade past 459, and I will tell you that's why we do have Hola Prime, and this is why I'm complementing my futures accounts on Hola Prime with the CFDs accounts on Hola Prime. You could be taking the very same trade on your CFDs Hola Prime accounts, those that allow you to hold overnight, and yes, you would be able to hold this trade overnight and get your beautiful 5-to-1 reward to risk. So two clear examples by using the concept of double fair value gaps. I'm gonna be making way more videos on this subject right here, because it is a very important subject to talk about and it will give you very high success rate. Again, check out Hola Prime by clicking on the first link down in the description. Use code ChrisFX for your discount. And if you want to get mentored by me, a real trader, or to join our Discord, you can also find the links down in the description. I guarantee that to you, you will save the 6 years of your life that I went ahead and I wasted by backtesting the whole day, and even then you will not be able to develop the premium ChrisFX block strategy that I have developed. So go ahead right now and enter our Discord or the one-on-one mentoring. Subscribe to the channel, share the video with all of your friends, uncles, parents, grandparents, whoever the hell you see share this video with. Helps with the algorithm. Leave your comment. I am responding to every single comment. This is gonna do it. I will see you with our next one.